2, 3. Ah! Okay guys, I want to redo this planter here. It has a fern in it from summer, and I got a pink mum. We'll put that in. The mum is not blooming yet, but I'll try to pop up a picture of what it's going to look like. And then I have just a little bit of faux flowers and I cut some hydrangeas. These are limelight. And I thought we could throw a few little pumpkins in. So let's get rid of this old fern first. I still want this area to be, bright and poppy with the pink door, but I also want it to lean toward fall as well. Let's plant up this beautiful planter. I love this green color. So I am gonna put a mum in this, and when I was at the garden center, I found 2 pink mums, and I tried to find one that was larger because I knew I wanted a larger one to go in the pot that we just did. And then in the window box, I knew I wanted a slightly smaller one. So I tried to find a mum that matched the planter box or the container, and then a mum that will match to go in the planter box. I am going to put some dirt in here because in future I'm going to be planting some stuff in this. It'll help me with the dried hydrangeas to stick things in it. Okay, I'm going to take the Chelsea pink mum and I'm going to leave it in its container still. Maybe. Alright guys, we're getting close to the final touches. I want to put a wreath on the door and I want to put a rug out front. Let's add pumpkins. love all the little cute additions we added. I also wanted to point out the vine growing up on my house is Boston ivy. It's actually coming over from my fence through the yard and up on the cement block. I would love if it would cover all of the cement block. So I'm training it to only be on the cement and not go up on the siding. So I just keep pinching it when it gets up on the siding, and I love it. So we finally got it done. Thank you guys for watching this whole video with us. We laughed at times so hard. We were rolling laughing. So we had the best time ever. It did take us a little longer than expected, but we did it. A couple things I wanted to tell you was the pink color is Japar pink, and it's from Sherwin-Williams.
Kind of like our overalls.
We kind of match. And the wreath is from Amazon. The green paint is pickle green, and it's from Sherwin-Williams. And the cream color is Loggio. It's spelled L-O-G-G-I-A from Sherwin-Williams. So thank you guys for joining us. And remember, what do they got to go do, Nick?
Find your passion today.
Also, if you love our content, please subscribe and click that bell notification so you don't miss any of our fun and upcoming videos we have planned. Thank you again for watching.